12 QT stainless steel electric pressure canner. Brand Presto. Capacity 12 quarts. Material stainless steel. Color black stainless. Finish type black stainless steel. Product dimensions for Teen DX17W by 16H. Special feature programmable. Wattage for Teen 85 watts. Item weight 24 pounds. Control method touch. Presto digital canner for easy home canning. The first digital canner that automates both pressure canning and water bath canning, making it safe and simple to preserve your favorite foods right in your kitchen. USDA-approved pressure canning safely process low-acid foods such as meat, poultry, fish, and vegetables with this Presto digital pressure canner that meets USDA guidelines. No adjustments are needed for high altitudes. Dual canning functions. This versatile canner doubles as a water bath canner for preserving fruits, jams, jellies, and salsa, providing the perfect tool for all your home canning needs. EASY-to-use digital interface. The user-friendly digital interface guides you through each step of the canning process, while the control knob lets you easily select your canning method and time. LED display icons illuminate every stage from start to finish. Advanced safety features, designed with 10 built-in safety features, including a cover locking system and an innovative sensor that automatically holds the correct temperature. This Presto digital canner ensures safe and reliable home canning. Convenient and easy to clean, with a removable pod featuring a PFAS-free nonstick surface. Clean up is a breeze. The black stainless steel exterior adds a sleek touch to your kitchen, while the compact design stores 10 half pints, 8 pints, or 5 quarts of mason jars. Recipe book included. Includes recipes with standard processing times in accordance with USDA guidelines.